Want to keep your Temu shopping habits a secret? Let's dive right into how to clear your browsing history and keep your search activity private. First, make sure you're on the Temu app. Look down at the bottom of your screen. See those icons? Tap the U tab. It's usually the last option on the right. Now that you're on the U page, scan the screen until you find the settings icon. It looks like a little gear, usually located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap that gear icon to enter the settings menu. On the settings page, scroll down until you see privacy settings. It might be near the middle of the list. Once you find it, tap on privacy settings. Great! In the privacy settings, you'll see the clear browsing history option. Go ahead and tap clear browsing history. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to clear your browsing history. This is your last chance to back out. If you're ready, tap the clear button. And that's it. Your Temu browsing history is now cleared. You can now browse and shop with a little more peace of mind. Remember to repeat these steps periodically to maintain your privacy.